What's good? What to do, YouTube? It's your boy. It's your boy Reggie Rich, man. Welcome back.
Listen, back to the Reggie Rich TV.
Listen, welcome back to the Reggie Rich TV. Look, I'm here with my dog, my brother. I'm gonna go ahead and let him introduce himself. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's your dog Jones. You feel me? Welcome back to the Reggie Rich TV. But look, before we start, though, please go ahead and like and subscribe and comment. Leave a comment, please.
Listen.
Like and subscribe as well.
You know, a lot of them, y'all be watching the video, but y'all not liking and subscribing. Look, it helps the channel grow.
Please.
So please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, please. So look, with that being said, right, we're both traders, investors to the market. And one of the topics that I don't think most people talk about today is how do you stay confident in the market, right? Feel free to add your input on this because I'm going to tell you how I feel. How do you stay confident in the market, knowing that you took multiple losses for the week? Not just for the week, for the month. So, with that said, right, now, if I were to ask you, or if you took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses back to back in that one trade, right, how do you tell that person to stay calm, stay confident, and keep trading, right? What's your step to that? What do you do?
I mean, I just like, my take on it is the same way like some hedge funds do it. You feel me? I don't necessarily trade as a hedge fund. I'm not a hedge fund. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is this: like, you gotta have a number of like the amount. It might be a number. Let's just say you have a particular amount. You say, yo, I'm gonna lose this for the week, or I'm gonna lose this for the month, or so.
I agree.
If I hit that, let's say I'm only allowed to lose, let's say 500 for the week, right? Now,
wait, are we talking about $500, $500,000?
Nah, I mean,
because you got people that trade that amount of money.
It depends. Whatever, you just got to do the number that's good for you, but you got to find that set number, and then from then on, like if you hit that set number, you unplug. Like some trading companies, the moment you start to lose so much, like it shut down. That's it. You can't trade no more for that particular day or week if you have surpassed your numbers. That's how, like, that's not how you stay confident, but that's how it help you to to not lose so much.
Yeah, and let me add, I'm just gonna add a little bit of something to that. If I were to take maybe 2, 3 trades for the day, right, for the day, because I know there are people, that trade about 10 times a day, which I do not recommend. Man. If you're trading 10 times a day, you're the problem.
Man, you chasing that paper, boy.
Yeah, not only chasing the paper, bro. You're asking to lose your money.
Yeah,
that's what you're asking for. You want to lose your money, pretty much. Look. My take on that is, look, if I had a day where I lost 4 or 5 times back to back, which last week, if I'm being honest, bro, last week wasn't a good week for me. He could tell you, because when I call a trade, he gets in the trade too. And last week was not a good week for me.
Talk about it.
Look, real stuff, bro. Real stuff. So, what's my take on that? How do you keep your confidence to keep trading? How do you keep your confidence to, if you see your setup coming to market, can you press the buy or sell button without having to go through that mental process of, oh, man, I'm second guessing it. I don't know what to do. Like, what do you do? Look, my best advice to you guys watching, to whoever's struggling with this, to myself, right? Feel free to add your input on this. If I take 4 trades back to back, no matter what I say, as a human being, yeah, it's gonna take a toll on me. But this is what I do for it to, from the jump, this is what I do for it to not kill me mentally. You gotta have proper risk management.
That's true. Cause now you ain't lying.
Proper risk management is the way to go. Cause imagine taking 10 trades, bro. 10 trades for the week, right? And like I said before, it's people that take 10 trades for the day. Imagine losing all 10 trades, bro.
Hey, asking for that account to be blown. Don't like that,
bro. Imagine losing 10 trades for the day. And you don't have a proper risk management.
There's no stop to it.
That's a blown account right there.
10 trades, yeah.
10 trades? Bro, I can take 10 trades back to back. Say if I do lose 10 trades back to back, that's about, if I were to give it a number, a percentage, that's about 2-3% of my account. And I know some of y'all can't say that.
That's a day.
That's a day. That's about 2-3% of my account. Some of y'all take 10 trades a day. That's the whole account right there.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to sip on this.
Go ahead, homie.
I'm gonna have to sip on this for real.
Nah, that's facts. Proper risk management will help save your account. Like, it'll also give you that confidence when, even though let's say you lose 3 trades, you're still within your risk management. Even though you see a setup, you might second guess yourself. You're within your risk management, so
Right.
you can go ahead and pull that plug. It's not gonna be nothing to you.
Right.
So proper risk management is a big key on helping you get over that hump of
Exactly.
really being confident. When you see a setup and you have already taken a few L's, you're not gonna, if you're within that risk,
That's
go
all
ahead and
facts.
take that.
That's all facts. And you said something about the hedge funds, you know, the way they trade, the banks, how they trade. Most people, right, when they start with a small account, their whole idea is to grow that account to, say, from $100 to maybe $1,000 within a day. Whereas if you're proper leveraging, right, you risking properly, for you to see $100 to $1,000, that's not happening in one day,
That's not
bro.
happening in one day.
Bro, if we're talking like real stuff, that's not even happening in a month. $100, if you're risking properly, bro, from $100 to $1,000, that's not happening in one day, let alone a month. I'm sorry, that's not happening in a month, let alone in one day.
Yeah.
Now the reason why you see most people, right, this is what they don't tell you. You see most people go from 500 to 5,000. How many accounts do you think they blew?
They've blown a lot.
Come on, bro. How many accounts have they blown for them to show you finally they took that one trade that worked in their favor and they actually brought it up to $5,000? I don't recommend that, but if that's the way you trade, by all means, go ahead and trade like that. And the reason why the banks are still in business till this day, right, is because of their capital.
And consistency.
Bro,
Yeah,
big money bring big money.
Exactly.
You can't be trading a $100 account thinking you're gonna be a millionaire in freaking 6 months.
They have a greater outlook too. You
Yes.
gotta understand. You gotta, like you said.
And it
big
ain't just
money bring
technical,
big
it
money.
ain't just fundamentals, it's everything combined.
Everything combined.
So now, to sum it up, right? What is the best way to stay confident? And we're going back to the main question that started this whole thing, right? What is the best way to stay confident in the market after taking 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, 4 losses, all back to back? Whether if it's in 1 day, 2 days, or a week, or even a month. Because no matter what you tell yourself as a trader, as an investor, you can tell yourself, bro, I'm gonna be like a bot. I'm gonna trade even if I take a loss, I'm still gonna keep trading, bro. Something's gonna happen to your mental, bro.
Facts.
As much as you wanna stay confident, yeah, I do stay confident. Because like I said, proper risk management.
Proper risk management helps you stay confident.
At the end of the day, bro, I'm a human being. It still takes a toll, not a toll on me, but it still kind of, it hits something in here. Now my main thing is, my go-to is to go hit the gym. I gotta go hit the gym, go release some tension, bro. Cause that shit ain't no game. It really ain't. So how do you stay confident? That's my input in that. That's proper risk management. Now, to sum it up, right? Now to ask you that same question. My answer to that is proper risk management. You could lose 20 trades back to back, but with proper risk management, you're still in the game. And that's all that matters. Now to ask you, what would you tell this person, right? Sitting behind their desk, trading on a regular basis.
Also,
how do you stay confident, bro?
Accepting L's. Like, you gotta accept that L, cause
I'm with that.
You might be up for like a week. Let's say you have a streak, you going, you high, you up. You can't be touched. You've been winning. Everything been hitting. And when that L gets you, like, nah, I didn't think that was. You gotta accept that, cause it comes with it. And let's say you're going, let's say your streak has been hot. Lower that, you can lower the lots.
I'm with that.
That way, you're still.
I'm with that.
We go back to what it is, like discipline and proper risk management. That's really what it is.
Because when some people, when they get that streak going, you make $1,000 in that one trade, $2,000 in that one trade.
Add on that lot.
You want to add some more. That's the worst.
The market's like, come to me. The market's saying, come, bring it.
And that's the worst mistake anybody could do. If you hit in that one trade, you made a whole bunch of money. Go ahead and reduce that lot size.
Reduce it.
Because even if you take that one loss, at least bro, I lost 500, but I made, in my first trade, I made 15 bands. You still got 14,000 and something to go.
People gotta have a number too, like, you gotta have a set amount of money that you're willing to lose.
Yeah.
and that you're willing to make.
Right.
So when, let's say you hit the make first, let's say you're trying to make 500, you're trying to make 500, you make your 500.
Right.
I'm not saying for you to stop trading because you make 500. Now you don't gotta, let's say your lot size was $1, you don't gotta have $1 lot size no more because you already made your 500. So just lower it down to maybe a 0.50 or something. That way you don't have that much risk on, you know, you already made your money. So that way whatever you lose, it's not really gonna hurt you because you already made your money. If it's on a Monday, you have the rest of the week to still do what you gotta do and still make some more money.
Right. And if you reach your goal like he said, just get off the charts. Leave the charts alone, bro. Go hit the gym or something. Like go watch a movie or something. Because the more you stay in that market, the more you expose yourself, the more you're liable to take another trade and another loss, another loss. And that's where your confidence goes out the window.
Exactly.
So to stay confident in the market and to keep that mental, you know, that mental, what's the word for it? Strength, or that mental
fortitude, that mental,
to keep it going, bro. Look, if you took a loss or two that very first day, take a break. Leave the charts alone.
Take a break.
Come back the next day and make sure you're leveraging properly. That way, if you ever take a loss, bro, it's no big deal. You still got whatever, however much you got on your account. So that's my take on that, and I'm pretty sure that's your take on that.
All we're saying is really, like, we broke it down, but in reality, if you think about it, it's just proper risk management no matter what.
That's what
we just broke it down we just broke down proper risk management to y'all, really.
Yeah.
Like, if you think about it, it's really proper risk management. With everything being said, have a number, have a goal, that's still proper risk management. You know, unplug from the charts, that's still proper risk management. Because if you lose too much, let's say you hit your loss, what you gonna do? Lose more? Nah, I'm proper risk management. I'm within that risk. I'm out.
Yeah.
That's it.
And the worst thing is too, bro, when you take that one loss, right? You take that one loss, and you got that voice in your head to revenge trade. You gotta trade again, trade again. You gotta get your money back, and that's the worst thing you could do. So with that said, right? With that said, the whole idea of how to keep confidence in the market is to leverage properly.
Proper risk management.
Proper risk management is the way to go.
Can't beat that.
You cannot beat that. That's how the banks trade, the hedge funds, and if you consider yourself an investor, that's how you should trade too.
You should trade.
And that's all it is. And that's all I got for you guys. Until the next video, look, it's your boy Reggie Rich, man.
Yo, it's your boy Jones again. But before we go, please make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. Don't play. Look, like, comment, and subscribe.
Look,
it
helps the video grow. Make sure you guys share the video. Maybe this person actually might want to hear what we have to say when it comes to confidence, right? I think that's the best way to go. So with that said, y'all stay blessed, man, and I hope you guys enjoy that video. Take notes if you have to, and watch it again if you have to. And with that said, y'all boys, we out, and y'all stay blessed, man.
Yeah.